Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in ratio and proportion. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, in a factory, the wages are increased in the ratio 22 is to 25. That means 22 has gone to 25. Whereas the number of laborers reduced in the ratio 15 is to 11. That means earlier it was 15. If earlier it was 15, now it has come to 11. So the question is find the original wages bill. Find the original wages bill if the present wages bill, that is after this reduction, after this increase. If the present find the original present bill if the present bill is rupees 5,000. See friends, this is earlier number of wages. This is earlier number of laborers. Then the wages will be 22 is to 15. This is present. This is present wages. This is present number of laborers. So the wages will become 25 into 11. 11 ones, 11 twos, 5 threes, 5 fives. So now the present bills ratio. Now the present bills ratio 6 is to 5. That means if earlier it was 6, then present it was 5. See, the problem says if the present bill is 5,000, what was the original bill? So if the present bill is 5, the original bill was 6. If the present bill is 5,000, the earlier bill was 6,000. 6,000 is your answer, friends. 6,000 is your answer. Okay, friends. Thank you.